My name is Dr Amira Sanki. I am the ASAP's Chair of Education. I would like to warmly welcome you to attend the Aesthetic Breast Workshop at our annual ASAPS conference on October 4, 2019. This is taking place in the exciting city of Brisbane. The Aesthetic Breast Workshop is aimed at younger fellows to help assist them transition into an aesthetic breast surgery practice. One of the hardest things about transitioning from being a plastic surgery registrar to an aesthetic surgeon is gaining the confidence to know that you know how to do these procedures well and safely. We have some of the best breast plastic surgeons in Australia and internationally attending this conference, and they will take you through step-by-step reliable techniques for markup, the surgery and managing difficult patients. I really look forward to seeing you there, and I'm sure you will gain so much from our first aesthetic breast workshop.